This question comes up a lot in our agency, and I'm going to admit to you that it is a confusing issue. The question is, will Medicare and or my Medicare supplement policy or my Medicare Advantage plan pay for the shingles vaccine, specifically Shingrix? Now, most of my customers have Medicare as their original coverage and have a Medicare supplement as their secondary. And for some yet unexplained reason to me, Medicare Part A or Part B do not pay for the administration of the shingles vaccine. If you go to Medicare, it will explain that most vaccines are actually covered under your Part D prescription drug plan. So it is possible to get vaccines at the pharmacy. However, the issue is that the Shingrix is not a generic medicine, and therefore it is subject to the deductible that is present for most Part D prescription drug plans, so that in many cases, if you go and get the shingles vaccine at your pharmacy, if you have not satisfied your annual Part D prescription drug deductible, the medicine will be covered, but you're still going to have to pay for it because since it's not generic, it is subject to the deductible. So like I said, this is really confusing. Now, it could be that if you are needed to have some medications that are not generic and you've already bought those medicines already and you've satisfied your annual deductible and then you go to get the shingles vaccine, it might not be so expensive, or it might be no cost at all. So this is one important thing to consider if you are going to be leaving a group plan soon, and this is something that you want to get off your checklist. I need to get this vaccine. It might be better to go ahead and get this taken care of while you're still on your group plan, because once you leave your group coverage, you get Medicare, you get Medicare supplement, you get a prescription plan. It is possible to get this vaccine, but it's either going to be expensive or for sure a very confusing and frustrating experience. If we can help you explain this in more detail, give us a call. Our services to you are always free.